In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an Airtable table to another base. We'll walk through a simple way to move your data by downloading it as a CSV file and then importing it into the base where you want it to live. This is really handy if you're reorganizing your workspace or if you want to reuse a table structure and its records somewhere else. First, head over to your Airtable dashboard and make sure you're signed in. On this main screen, you'll see all of your bases. Find the base that currently holds the table you want to copy and click to open it. Once the base opens, look for the table you're copying and make sure you're in a grid style view. In the toolbar, select grid view if it isn't already active. The CSV export works from this view and it ensures you capture the data in a clean tabular format. Next, from that grid view, find the option to download a CSV. Click on Download CSV and Airtable will generate a file containing all the records and fields that are visible in this view. Your browser will save that CSV file to your device, usually in the Downloads folder. It's a good idea to remember or quickly check where that file is saved so you can find it easily in a moment. Now, we'll move over to the base where you want this table to go. Click the Airtable icon in the top left to return to your dashboard. From there, open the destination base by clicking on it. Inside this base, look near your list of tables for an option that says Add or Import. Click that. This is where you tell Airtable that you want to bring in data from a file. When the menu appears, choose CSV file as the import method. A window will open prompting you to select the file. Click on Browse Files, then navigate on your computer to the CSV you just downloaded from the original base and select it. After that, confirm by clicking Upload One File so Airtable can process it. You'll now see a setting that asks where you want to import into. Open that dropdown and choose the table you want to import into, or confirm that it's creating a new table if that's what you prefer. Once that's set, click Next to review the mapping and settings. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Import. Airtable will bring in the CSV data, and you'll now have a copy of that table's records in your other base.